Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I am back after a long time. The last time I made the video was on 26th of July 2021. So it's been nearly 5 months, or 4 months I believe. Yeah. So it's going to be in 7 days, it's going to be 5 months. Okay, so let's see, what shall I do? So go back to the website, go to the challenges. What the challenge should? So the last challenge I did was week 143, but I'm going to do a video for the challenge week 141. Let's see which one. So let's pick the easy one first, which is task 1. So what's task 1? The task 1 says number divisors. What's it? The task is write a script to find the lowest 10 positive integers having exactly 8 divisors. For example, 24 is for such a number. So let's see. Let's start. Usual playground. So this is task 1. So I'm going to call it ch-.pl. Usual shebang. Usual user bin. Perl. Use strict. Use earnings. And I am going to do unit test, so let's use the standard. Use test more. What else? And I am going to compare the data structure, so let's use a handy CPR module test deep as well for comparing a data structure. And done testing to be called at the end of my unit test. Here I'm going to call my test case here. No, let's call. So my task is to find the number divisors. So let's call the method number divisors. So I'm expecting 2 parameters. So the 2 parameters I'm expecting is count, which is, so for example, in the example we will be given count how many integers I'm interested, which is 10, and how many divisors it should have. So let's call the first parameter count, how many integers I'm interested in, and the divisors, and the number is 8. So let's call it $number, which is this. Okay. So I am interested in the total number of divisors, total number of numbers having exactly 8 divisors. So let's create a placeholder called numbers, and I am gonna start loop through while once I have reached the numbers to the, let's then count. So once I have collected $count number of integers having exactly 8 divisors, then it should stop. So this using at numbers in a scalar context give me the total number of elements in the array, and I'm just saying it should be less than, because it will give me in a scalar, it will give me, so for example, if I have 4 elements, it will give me 4. So it should be less than equal to less than 4. So, and then inside this while loop, I am going to create another array which will hold the divisors, and I'm going to do for each loop here. Excuse me. And okay, before I do that, I need to create another variable $I, and this $j is gonna be from $1 $I. Yeah. And then now let's find out the divisor. So if it's gonna be $I percentage $j, if it is 0, that it's a divisor. Then I am going to push in this array, divisors array, $j, and that's why you go through from 1 to I. Once you're done, count how many divisors we found. So if the count of divisors matching the number I8, then I want to capture that number in this number arrays, which is $I. And then when you're done, you increment $I to the next number, so you keep on going one by one. Right. So now, once you're done, once you have $count times numbers in this array, you come out of this loop and then return. So I am returning the reference to the array, so I can easily compare. So that is done. Now it's time to code test unit case. So I'm going to call, since I'm comparing a structure, data structure, I am calling isDeeply method, isDeeply, and I'm going to call the method number divisors. As per the example, it is the total count is 10 and divisor is 8, so I'm going to call 10 8. And what do I expect? I am expecting, let's copy this result. So this is what I'm expecting. Copy. So expectation, since I don't know, let's run this method and find out the result. And it's hack. So let's comment this line, and I'm going to comment this line as well. Comment out this line and just run. And I'm going to use data data dumper, just to let's say print dumper, and I'll call number divisors 10, 8. Let's run this. So this is the first 10 such numbers having exactly 8 divisors. So I am going to do is, so now I know the results. So let's uncomment these lines, get rid of these two, and I can put expected results here, which is 24, 30, 40, 42, 54, 56, 66, 70, 78, and finally 88. That's my example 1. Okay, so let's run this script again. I forgot to uncomment this line, so let's run this again. So all good. So that's my task 1 of week 141. I hope you like this video, and if you do like, please share with your friends. Bye.